Hey, what's going on? It's your girl Mary, and this is my channel, Brown Queendom. Today's video is just going to be a very quick video. We're jumping right in doing a makeup routine, and I wanted this to be a very quick. It's going to be a no foundation makeup routine, and I just wanted to share with y'all the products that I use. I only use concealer, some setting powder, and bronzer, plus mascara, and lipstick, of course. So as you can see, I'm going in with this hydrating, this primer. I love this primer. It was clearly a rare find. Y'all saw the clearance tag. I actually had already grabbed some before from the clearance aisle as well, so I knew I would love it. So when I saw the bigger version, I was like, of course I'm gonna get it. Going in with this concealer here that is a perfect match for my skin tone. When I blend it down, it is just like it's like an even layer of skin there. It really blends down and you can barely tell that there's anything there. I love it. And clearly it does give coverage because it covers up my moles. I have a mole on my nose and it just covered it up, so that's the proof. So shout out to Milani for that. But anyways, have y'all seen that meme of this girl that was like, if you a grown woman and you not wearing makeup, you know, every day, or you not you know, you should be wearing makeup every day, or else it's like you not, I forgot what she said, but it was just like the whole sentiment, everything about it. I was just like, while I kind of understand what she's saying as somebody who is in their 30s now and trying to step into their feminine energy, I get what she meant, but also no, because I feel like it's a preference thing. I do. And even though it's like this is me doing, it's like a video of me doing my makeup, I don't do this every day. I don't. And even though I'm trying to get to the point to where I can do it every day, again, it's my choice. It's my personal choice, and this does not make me a woman. It doesn't at all. Doesn't make me feel like, you know, cute and girly and stuff. Yes, sure. But it doesn't define me as a woman, and I just needed to, I feel like I needed to say that. I've been holding it in for a while, and I keep seeing this video come across my feed, so that's that. I feel like it's a personal choice. Nobody should feel like they should have to learn makeup, especially when it takes hours. This is me trying to, like, this is gonna be like a 10-minute video, and it's still like 2 hours worth of footage, or 1 hour and 30 minutes worth of footage. Like, it takes time. So for one, just that alone, I'm sure a lot of people, because I used to be one of those people, was like, no, absolutely not. I can do so many other things with my time. But anyways, I feel like I don't know, was it anybody else forced into being like a tomboy, or like not really being able to be fully, like, embrace all the girly things. Like, I wasn't allowed to paint my nails, I wasn't allowed to wear makeup, like nothing, wasn't allowed to shave my legs or anything, any of that, until I was like well into my teens. Like, well, actually for me, like, even doing my eyebrows, I wasn't even allowed to arch my eyebrows or nothing until I was 18. And I was like, you know, basically what people consider to be grown. But it was then when I was allowed to, you know, start doing that, and by then I didn't care anymore. And so I found myself now in my 30s trying to, you know, do more things like this. I've been trying to teach myself how to do my makeup for a while, because it was just one of those things I've always wanted to know how to do, and I just was never allowed to wear makeup. So once I went to the military and got on my own and was making my own money, I started with something so simple, with just my brows, which is funny because I'm not even doing it in this video because my fro cut this hair covering it up. But I stepped into it and started trying to learn and teach myself, and now we're here. I know way more than I did when I started. I knew nothing, and it was a journey. It was hard. It was very hard. There were a lot of embarrassing moments where I was looking crazy, looking like a clown, where my makeup wasn't matching, and I didn't even notice. Like, I didn't know until I went back and looked, or I looked at pictures, and it was just like, it was a lot of that, and I see why people would just rather not. So to say that, you know, people should be doing it, I think that is a stretch. It's a really like yeah, that's a stretch. I'm sorry, but no. Still no, yeah, I'm back on that, cause no. But yeah, I find myself now stepping into and wanting to embrace my feminine energy a lot more, and just do more things, and just be more, step into it more, and just fully embrace it, and just not have to have a reason. And so I've been doing it, and the goal is to get to the point to where I can do something very quick and easy every day, and get to where it's like Aunt Viv from the Fresh Prince. If I can get to like her level, to where she's just super classy and well put together all the time. What? Where she's just super classy and put together all the time, that would be great. That would be super nice. But until I get there, listen, I'm gonna be vlogging the way. Let's just say I'm gonna be vlogging the way, because so far it's been a journey. Just like even trying to find clothes, like I'm going through that whole moment again. It's like how you have that awkward stage and that awkward phase of when you big chop and you have your natural hair. It's like it's an awkward stage for everything, seems like. And that's where I'm at with this. It's like trying to style stuff and just be looking crazy. But I'm confident with Pinterest and Instagram and everything. Oh my goodness, I poked myself. With all that, I will be able to get there, and I'm gonna bring y'all along for the journey. Hopefully a lot of y'all can relate, and if anybody got any tips and tricks, or favorite creators, tag me and let me know. Y'all can find me everywhere at Brown Queendom. I'm literally everywhere, so find me, let me know, give me some tips. I'm literally listening to everything, because like I said, it is not easy. It hasn't been easy, but it has been fun. It's been interesting, and I'm gonna be keeping it real with myself and with y'all, because I definitely, it's like I've been noticing now. In the past, I don't even think I noticed. Like I just put stuff on, I don't even care what it looks like. But now it's like I want to make sure that everything looks a certain type of way. I want to make sure that I, like I said, look good. And to finish this video off, I just want to say shout out to all the women that can do this, all that know how to balance everything, like motherhood, wifely duties, and keep taking care of the home. And you got a business, you running a business, and you look good doing it. Like people don't really, I don't think people really give those accolades where they, like the way that we should. Like it takes a lot. That takes a lot to do that. I did my makeup every day last week, literally every day, and I was exhausted by the weekend. I didn't know why. And I was like, I don't know, I didn't do anything crazy. Why am I so tired? I was doing my makeup every day. And filming it and doing my everything else, and I was exhausted. All the mom stuff, I ain't gonna lie, laundry is on the couch. Laundry is on the couch, but everything else got done. So it's like I said, if people figure out how to do it and balance it all, kudos to them. I really, hats off to you, because I have been struggling trying to get there on my own, but we're gonna get there. It's not supposed to be easy, but it's gonna be fun. All right, y'all, that is all I have. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you haven't. Leave me a comment, and I will talk to y'all next time. Bye, girl.